welcome to or welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meka. For those of you that are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload a video. So since it's fall and it's still Vlogtober, your girl decided to do a little fall makeup look. This is the finished product. Let me get it up close, show you guys what it looks like up close. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I did this video, make sure you stay tuned and continue watching, okay, because I'm gonna get into this look. I like it. I think it looks cute. I'm about to go take some pictures because I feel like it's given. Okay, it's given. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in real life it's given. Okay, so make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get into this makeup look. Hey y'all, so I'm going in with this Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this orange right here next to the blue. It wasn't as orange as I wanted it to be, so I ended up going in as well in my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I went in with the orange and just did the transition as, you know, orange. Obviously I'm not a makeup artist. My cousin told me that I'm putting the eyeshadow too far up into my eyebrows, but I'm a work in progress. I'm still working on that. I don't know how to, I don't know, it's like my eye shape weird, so I don't know how to not make it go into my eyebrow. But anyways, when I put my eyeshadow on, I pat it in instead of swiping. I do like a patting motion. I pat it in. Then I went in to this Essential palette and I just used this little brown right here, and I kind of did it on my lid, but not really fully on my lid. I did it like at the crease of where the orange is and where the next color is going to be. I went into my cleansing balm and I kind of just cleaned off that part where I'm going to cut my crease. Usually I use a Q-tip, but your girl ran out of Q-tips. So I had to use a piece of paper towel. I tried the best that I could with the paper towel. But yeah, I just basically just went into my cleansing balm and kind of just put like the shape of where I wanted the arch to be. And I cleaned off my lid with that. Now to cut my crease, I'm just going to go in with this white eyeshadow base and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. For some reason, I can never get my eyes to look the same. One always look a little different, but I don't know. want to make sure it's dry before you go ahead and apply your eyeshadow. So in the corner, I'm gonna go in with this yellow from the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm just gonna put the yellow on the inside. So that's what you guys see me doing here. In the same palette, and the color that's next to the yellow, the purplish looking color that's next to the yellow, I went in and I applied that color to the outer part of my eyelid. Then I took my eyelash glue, which you can get from melaninTouchCosmetics.com. I took my eyelash glue and I just did kind of like a little semi-arch, not fully all the way. I did that. I applied that on top of my eyeshadow where the crease is, and then I went in with some gold glitter. Went in with my 2-in-1 eyeliner slash eyelash glue pen, and I went in with that to do my liner. You can also get this from melaninTouchCosmetics.com. And then I applied my lashes. I went in with my lash Nefertiti, and you can also get that from Melanin Touch Cosmetics. Before I went in with my lashes, I just added like 1 coat of mascara to my lashes, and then I added my lashes. So these are some primer that I had. I don't even know where it's from, honestly, but I went in with this primer and I tried something new. Usually when I put on my makeup, sometimes it starts to look like sweaty, like I had it on for a long time. So after I did my primer, I just applied some powder to my face to kind of see if it would make a difference with my makeup. So that's just something new that I did. Yeah. ahead and mix two foundations together to kind of get the color that I wanted. When I do my foundation, I press it into the skin. I don't swipe it when I apply it. I press it into the skin. Y'all, I don't know nothing about contouring, so I kind of just left that alone. But I did put like a little contour on my nose, and then, you know, I kind of like brushed it out or whatever. I don't know if that made a difference, but whatever. Your girl is still learning this whole makeup thing. And then I went into my It's My Ray Ray palette and kind of just did some highlights. I forgot to mention, before I applied my highlights, I did go in with some concealer under my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead, but it was too light. So I ended up, I didn't show that part on camera because it was too light. So I had to go in with my regular concealer, and then I applied my highlights on top of that. Then I went in with my setting spray and kind of just sprayed my face. I popped on some bottom lashes as well, and that was it. Okay guys, this is the finished product. This is what it's looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to say make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be continue posting even though October is coming to an end. I'm still going to be posting all November, and I'm planning to do Vlogmas too. So okay, your girl is gonna be uploading all the time. Consistency. Okay, consistency. So this is the finished product. I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload a video. Bye guys, I'll catch you in tomorrow's video.